If you have something people want to pay for, a course, a template pack, an ebook, a checklist, system lets you sell it. In this video, I will walk you through the exact flow from empty account to live checkout, using a course as the worked example, but the same three-step flow sells any digital product you can save on your computer. Stay till the end because I will also show you how to get help setting it all up if you want it done for you. Let us go. Quick primer, click Assets in the top nav and you see the menu. On the digital side, you have two paths. Courses, which system sells and delivers straight through its own checkout. And downloadable files like ebooks or template packs, which follow the same setup with one small extra step at the end that I will show you. Today, I am building a course as my example. Every digital product on system moves through three steps. 1. Build the product. 2. Wrap it in a funnel. 3. Share the link and take payments. That is the whole video in one sentence. Let us do step 1. Head to Assets, then Courses. In the top right, hit the blue Add a New Course button. A little window pops up asking for 4 things: the name of your course, the domain, which stays as your system subdomain by default, a short URL path, one word if you can, and a theme, which is the color of the student area. Fill those in and hit Save. If you were selling a downloadable file, you upload it once under Assets, Files, and I will show you where it plugs in later. Click into your new course. In the top right, hit Settings. From here, you can add a description, upload your instructor photo, logo, and course cover, connect this course to a sales page, and turn on email reminders for your students. Set these once and forget them. Head back to the course. If you are building a course, this is where you actually build it. A system course is modules holding lectures. Modules are the chapters, lectures are the pages inside. Click Add Module and name your first one. Save, then click Add Lecture inside that module. Give it a name, set a delay if you want to drip content over days, toggle Enable Comments if you want students to talk to you inside the lesson, and pick a template. Save. Repeat for every chapter and every lesson. If you are selling only a downloadable file, skip this scene entirely. There are no modules to build. System drops you into a full page editor for the lesson. On the left, you have every block you could want: text, image, video, buttons, downloads, forms. Drag them onto the page and shape the lesson. To add your teaching video, click the video block and open the video type dropdown. 3 choices. Direct link if you are hosting on YouTube or Vimeo. Custom embed if the platform gave you an embed code, or upload file if you want the video living inside system. Pick your option, drop your video in, save. Repeat for every lecture. One tiny step that is easy to miss. By default, your new lecture is a draft. Students cannot see it. Click the 3 dots on the lecture row and hit Activate. Do this for every lesson you finish. Product built. Now step 2, the funnel. Up top, click Sites, then Funnels, then Create. Name your funnel something clear like Freelancing Course Funnel. For selling any digital product, set the funnel goal to sell. Pick your currency, hit Save. System scaffolds a full sales funnel for you in one click. This is the part that ties everything together. System asks you to pick an order form template. Click one you like. Then open the Resources tab on your order form and add a digital product. Give it a name and attach the course you built. Then scroll down and add a price plan. This is where you set how much it costs, whether it is one payment or a subscription, and what currency. Without a price plan, the checkout button will not work. If you are selling a downloadable file instead, you skip the Resources tab and instead set up a simple automation rule under the Automation Rules tab. Trigger it on New Sale and attach your file to the email. Back on the Configuration tab, click Edit Page on the right. This drops you into the same drag and drop editor. Change the headline, drop in a video, add testimonials, swap the colors. Make it look like something you would actually pay for. When you are happy, hit Save, then exit. One last thing you cannot skip. You need a payment gateway or nobody can pay you. Click your profile picture in the top right, hit Settings, then Payment Gateways in the left menu. Connect Stripe or PayPal or both, or any option that suits you. Takes a couple of minutes and every checkout on your funnel is live. Step 3, the easy part. Go back to your funnel, click View Funnel step, and copy the order form URL. That link is your product. Drop it in your Instagram bio, your YouTube description, your email list, your WhatsApp status. Every sale from that link delivers automatically. For a course, system enrolls the buyer and emails them a login. For a downloadable file with the automation rule you set up, system emails them the file. You do not write a single line of any of that. Quick note before you go. If you want me to set up your digital product funnel on system, drop a comment or reach out to me via the email in the description. See you in the next one.